Hi all. So today we are going to look at how to determine the present value in case of an annuity. So I'll consider an ordinary annuity, and let's say since it's an ordinary annuity, the first payout will be the first year. So considering it to be a 4-year annuity, suppose the amount is 100. This is what the payout would be for the 4 years, and considering the interest rate to be 10%. So there are two methods by which the present value can be determined. The first method I'll just write out using the formula. Present value equal to NPV. 10% is the rate, and these are the cash flows. Right? There's another method by which I can determine the present value. That is by discounting each of the cash flows. So this becomes 100 divided by 1 plus 10% equal to 100 divided by 1 plus 10% to the power 2, since it's a cash flow in the year 2, equal to 100 divided by 1 plus 10% to the power 3 and 100 divided by 1 plus 10% to the power 4. So my net present value would be summation of all the 4 elements. So this will be same as 316.99. So these are the two methods by which I can determine the present value of an annuity. Please do like the video if it was helpful, and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you guys for your time.